Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala. In this video, what we're going to see is how we can communicate to HMIs together, okay, over Modbus TCP or Modbus serial. Okay, so let's go to the presentation. There we go. So I have created two projects, okay, two projects. So I'm going to start fresh on this one. So basically we need one to be the master or the client, okay? So if this one's going to be the master, we just need to go to the target, drivers, and then here we just need to select, for example, Modbus organization, Modbus TCP. Okay, it's going to be my HMI server. Okay, it's going to be the CPU that I'm going to communicate to. So it's the HMI 1.65. That's going to be for the TCP side, and then for the serial, we just need to go Modbus organization, SI master. There we go, and then I'm going to communicate to the HMI slave. Okay, and here we just need to define the equipment that we're going to use and the addressing. Okay, for in this particular case, we can use this one without the IEC because of how it works on the other side. So on the particular part of the serial, we just need to double check the COM port, okay, because sometimes you can have COM1 and COM2 or just one COM, and you just need to define how you're going to communicate, the type, and you need to define RS232, or we just need to change the COM port here to the COM2, for example, and this one has 485. Okay, so this is part for the HMI master, okay, client. So I have created the server and created the slave that I'm going to communicate to. Okay, that's the driver I have on my master. I need to something to point to. Then we just need to define the variables. But for the variables, we just need to create the variables on the server or the slave. So if we create in the other project here, new, target, drivers, new driver, here a Modbus organization, we just need to define Modbus a slave or TCP a slave. So Modbus TCP a slave, my HMI server, server, and then I'm going to add another driver for Modbus organization, this one slave server, my HMI slave. And here again, we just need to double check the COM port that we're going to use. So we select and change this, okay, and make the configuration. And here you have all the different codes that you can use and the maximum amount, okay, that you're gonna have for this particular server. And here you have the port number in case you use TCP. So now what we need to do is to create the variables. So here I'm going to use, for example, the word, and here, so it's going to be iVar. Okay, here we just need to define from where it's going to be. It's going to be for the TCP, and then I'm going to create another one for the slave. So here we just need to define the addresses. So this one is going to be 4000 offset 1, okay, and this one is going to be the same offset 1, and it will just adjust the new internal variable that I'm going to use that other system can read or write into it. Okay, now that I have created this on the server, I have the possibility to do that. Let's see if we can do copy paste. I don't think so. Copy. I can duplicate this on the other side, on the master. Here, Let's see if I paste it. Yes, I pasted, which is good. Now here I need to change the source. So this is going to be the slave, and this is going to be the server. It doesn't matter. And here we just need to define the address, and then that's it. I have the communication to it. Okay, and simple as that. We just need to define the memories on the HMI server slave, and then on the client master, we just need to point the variables to there again, and that should be fine. Unfortunately, I don't have two HMIs to play with and do it all the things, but this is how it should work. We just need to configure the IP address and the COM port that matches on the other side, and that's it. There's nothing else to do. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.